Hey guys, welcome back. We're going to do IP Insights algorithm from AWS. This determines the difference between the two distances of the IP addresses. Okay guys, I downloaded the dataset from Darknet because I couldn't find any others. So here's what I did. Error bad lines equals false, obviously. And then I did the SRP and the DST IP. Since this algorithm, they have to be IP addresses, nothing else. And there can't be any dashes or anything. That's why I didn't use flow ID. They have to be exact. This algorithm's pretty picky. Okay. And then I did the test train split and then get image URI. And then remember, like we always talk about, IP Insights. That's the name of the algorithm. This is what you do right here. I made this pretty short-coded. Now, I wasn't too much shooting for accuracy as much as I was just trying to get this thing to work. Well, honestly, I would have put it at 30 epochs and I would have increased the mini batch size to get a 95% accuracy because I was at 87% at its highest. So that's what I would do if I were on this data set, but it's up to you. Okay, and then obviously you have to upload the file into the S3 bucket. What I did was I put train right here, and I'm going to use the training set, and then train. There we go. Okay, guys, as you can see, this is unsupervised learning, kinda, but I'd say it's more semi-supervised. I don't even know why it's in that category of unsupervised learning when there's metrics on it. Okay, yeah, it calculates the distances between the two. Well, I guess that's why you could call it unsupervised learning. Kind of like clustering a little bit, distance from the centroids a little bit. Anyways, do this right here, and then inference data. And then your test set, you put that right here, and then dot values, predict inference data, content type, accept. Okay. That was just a short prediction. Obviously, these are harmless IP addresses. That's why you see them. Now, this one right here, I wouldn't say too sure. Because guys, these are not malicious. Most of these are not malicious IP addresses, obviously, because it's darknet, so it's random. The majority are very good. That's how you can tell the distance is not too far off in between. When there's distance far off, then they're pretty harmful. As you can see, they're all pretty close. See the dot product and the IP embedding? Yeah. And this was at 86% accuracy. I could have gotten that higher, but okay, guys. I hope you liked it. Next time we're going to do an XG boost, but we're going to use it for regression instead of classification. Okay, now, one thing to remember, you got to use 2 columns only. And I would pick these 2 only if I were you, because this is how it works. You pick 2 columns only. And it calculates the distances between the 2. Obviously, I chose these 2 because try finding a data set that'll work with it. Try it. It's pretty hard to find one. So that's why I suggest finding this, even though this is just darknet internet traffic in general. But this is from the Canadian Institute of Cybersecurity at New Brunswick. So probably the only one who deployed it on Sagemaker, but it's what I would do. Okay. Thank you, guys. Don't forget, this is where you get it. Okay.